Brookston, Indiana, on the 23rd, June 23rd.
On 3rd Street.
3rd Street. There's a state of emergency here in Indiana from just wind. Speedway gas station, and they said it was just 100 mile an hour wind. It was not a tornado or anything. No utilities. Pulling up at the main intersection, and the lights are completely out. No signal. Cannot get gas. Pumps down.
Summer break. They've done a lot already.
Do you guys live here? Or?
Yeah.
You guys live here? We were wondering if we could interview you guys, if you mind.
For what?
Just reporting on the storm and what you guys, what it was like when you were going through it.
Yeah, come on over here, Kurt. You can follow my neighbor.
There you go.
Kids.
I'll
Huh?
I'll turn the other
You can. I just turned the air on. It's okay.
Maybe tomorrow.
You shall conceive and bear a son, and no razor on his head.
How you doing?
Good.
I'm Josh.
Chris Sarma. Nice to meet you.
Kristen.
Kristen's nice to meet you.
So you guys, did you guys get a big notice or like a tornado siren?
No, didn't hear any sirens.
Didn't hear any?
No, that's what we've been commenting on. None of us heard anything.
Do you guys normally have them like on Fridays too?
They test them on Mondays.
Mondays?
Monday mornings. Every week. Yeah, I used to work nights forever and would hear them when they'd wake me up in the morning. 10 o'clock in the morning. Last night just started about, we heard the wind kick up about midnight, and by 12:30. The rest of the story's in the back of the house. You want to see it?
Sure, absolutely. We saw that. Man, it looks like you guys, that looks new too.
Yeah, it's 2015. I got 10,000 miles on it.
Wow.
I drive back at 14 Indianapolis to work, so I bought that. It's like 30 miles a gallon. Oh, I'm yeah. So I heard the storm kick up, and I heard something sound like hitting the windows of the house. So my wife and I had our bedroom there. Got up and ran out of bed. And just as we run out of bed, we heard the big loud thump sound. And there's a little hole up there. You have to be careful. It's everywhere. So on top of the tree, this is an old oak tree. Took the top of it off of it and put it on our roof. This part here is part of a hickory tree. I haven't figured out where it came from. I'm thinking.
That looks like a pretty solid tree there too.
Yeah. This one's a hickory here. It looks like it didn't even touch it. The other splinter tree that's right over there is a cherry tree. I took it off and threw it on the back of the house.
Wow.
On this little back porch area.
Were you home when it?
Got hit about 12:30 last night, and it started about 12, and then by 12:30.
And it wasn't reported on the news that it was coming or anything.
They said there was going to be a good storm last night.
Just that was it though, just a storm.
That was a storm.
And you guys' utilities went out about 12:30 or 1?
Probably around between 12 and 12:30. We have a TV in our room. I've never had one up there before, so it's kind of bugging me anyway.
Hey,
The light was flashing on the TV. Hi.
is that your barn?
Yeah, it's mine. Yeah, it's still standing.
But it's crashed.
Yeah, it's got some
I bet
problems.
he's
buddy.
got a lawnmower or a four-wheeler in there.
I got a lawnmower.
Daddy has a chainsaw.
Do you? Well, you know what? He could use that all he wants out here.
Yeah, that's what we were just mentioning. Come out here and help volunteer
Yeah.
cut some stuff
This
up.
is if you ever, I don't know if you're from around Brookston?
We're in Pittsburgh, Indiana.
Okay. This is a great, I'm lucky, blessed. I live in a great neighborhood. We've all helped each other this morning to get out. I couldn't get out my driveway this morning.
You have to walk now.
I
You
have to
guys,
walk.
as far as getting gas and for your generators and food and stuff, what's the closest area?
Brookston.
Okay.
But when you get food, you can't drive because you have to walk.
Yeah, I have to walk. Yeah. Well, I can use my wife's car. It's in
Did
the
you
garage.
guys notice anything with the skies the day before or yesterday?
No, beautiful day yesterday. Yeah. In fact, it rained a little bit in the morning, and then I was joking because I should have been out here cutting grass. My wife was at work, and I found 1,000 reasons not to do that. So rent the Menards, got whatever I wanted to get at Menards. And came back home, it was still kind of nice out. And wait for the storm to come. Thinking, we've had it before.
That white car
white one with the tree on it? Yep, sure
He
is.
said that only had 10,000 miles on it.
10,000 miles. The car's sitting right next to it, it barely touched.
Hurry up.
Look at that out.
Huh?
Yeah, you want to see it?
Well, thank you very much for the information.
Hey.
Josh. Josh. He doesn't have shoes on.
Alright, shoes on, buddy.
This used to be, as you can tell, a very wooded lot.
Keenan!
Beautiful. Beautiful.
Keenan! Trees on the house.
I actually never even heard of this town before.
Oh yeah.
This, I saw
Daddy, look, they have the same horses.
Yeah, I drive to Indianapolis every day to work.
Where do you work at in Indy?
Indianapolis Power and Light.
Okay.
And so I bought this, traded my truck in, bought this little Jeep thing to drive back and forth to work. It's been fantastic. 30 miles a gallon, you can't beat it. It's a little hard to do that now.
It's a good purchase for a Jeep.
Yeah.
Jeep Wrangler would not even get close to that.
Yeah, yeah. You can hardly even touch it. It's got a little bit on the there and it got the fender. Everything else on the Jeep.
Did you watch that happen?
No, I heard it. I got up and I looked out our front window.
And said, oh no.
Yeah.
You get sick to your stomach and almost throw up.
Yeah. So all this you see on the side of the driveway was in the building.